In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a free audio spectrum completely for free in 2024. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Step 1. Open up a new tab in your browser or search engine, and then type in Adobe After Effects Download. Go to their main website, and once the website has been loaded, you want to either click on either free trial or click buy now. And once the download has been completed, slap the program open, and once it's open, the next step is to drag on or locate the music piece file that you would like to transform into an audio spectrum. After you've done that, click on new composition right here and name this whatever it is you would like to save it as and click OK. The next step is to click on your audio piece and drag it down on the timeline so it's loaded like so. The next step is to click on the audio piece. If it's none already highlighted, then go on your top screen and then click layer, click new, and then click solid. And then in this case, it's a dark gray solid, and then click OK. The next step is to click on your dark solid and make sure it's still selected or highlighted, and then go to effects, scroll down until you see generate. And then once loaded, you want to scroll down and click this option right here, or the third option, audio spectrum. And once loaded, you want to go under the audio layer and click the drop down arrow and make sure that this is the second track or your audio piece. And in this case, you can see we have some audio currently displaying on the screen. And now we're going to mess with it or adjust these settings. You can follow along or mess along with them afterwards. So in this case, start frequency and frequency bands. We're going to change this to 800 bands. We're going to change this to 80. Maximum height 800. Thickness 5 or even 6, softness 25%, and the inside color and the outside color, you can change this however you would like or do it accordingly. And in this case, I'm changing the color to green to match the audio piece right here. Now this is where it gets really cool. Under display options, now this is currently what we have. Again, not too bad. Under display options, this is what analog lines look like here on the screen, and this is what analog dots look like as you're currently seeing this on the screen. And that's not too bad. I'm going to change this back to digital because I like the way that this looks. And in my opinion, I'm going to change the side options to just one side so that the audio is only playing on one side of the video. And as you can see, this is the before. And this is the after. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.